Rough videos.
Hi, my ILS students. We're still with our Monday, and right now we're going to talk about, so remember, we have our Monday packet, and we're going to go through it and grab out this page. And before we get busy on this page, we're going to take our deep breaths. So put that page down, take a deep breath in, inhale up, and exhale down. Inhale up, and exhale down. Okay, so this page is going to be every Monday. We're going to do another activity using this page. And it's kind of a graphing, sorting, counting page. And the more we use it, the more comfortable we're going to get with it. And you can see I did the same thing I did with our schedule. I put this extra piece of paper so that you're only using how many ever lines that we're working with. So if you're feeling this is too much, we only want to work with 2 lines or even 1 line. And in that case, it's really becoming just a put here, 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 and then we can count as we do it. But if you want to add more to it, you can go as more or as few as you think is appropriate for you and your student, okay? Miss Kelly's going to sort money this time. Every week it might be a little something different. Because I'm doing money, I'm going to go ahead and add some fun videos about money into Schoology. And if you want me to email them to you, let me know and I'll send them to you that way. But you can find a lot of fun videos on YouTube about money. Just make sure you preview them first. So I have my money and I'm going to use my graph and I'm going to make this line my pennies and I'm going to make this line my nickels, and this line my dimes, and this line my quarters. So I'm going up in denomination. So a penny is worth 1 cent, a nickel is worth 5 cents, a dime is worth 10 cents, and a quarter is worth 25 cents. So it's going upward. So let's just sort for now, but we can always work on our money because money is going to be a big thing we focus on in our class. So I'm going to put this, where would I put this? It's a penny. I know, it's going to go right here. So now I have 1, 2 pennies. And I'm going to grab another coin. This is a quarter. So it's worth 25 cents. Where would that go? It's probably the largest. It is definitely the largest. So it's going to go over here in my quarter line. So now I have 2 quarters and 2 pennies. I picked up another one. And you know what? I just put a quarter down, so I know this is another quarter, and I will put it in the quarter line. 1, 2, 3 quarters. This one is larger than a dime, but a little smaller than a quarter. It's a nickel. So I need to find, oh, here's my nickel right here. So now I have 1, 2 nickels. And I picked up another quarter. So this is going to go into the quarter line right here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters. 4 quarters equals $1. So I have $1 at least. I can go get something at the dollar store. And here is a very small, the smallest of our silver coins, and it's a dime. So here's my dime line right here. So now I have 1, 2 dimes. And here's another dime. It's a little dirty, but it's still a dime. So I have 1, 2, 3 dimes worth 30 cents. 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30. Then I have my pennies. So I have 1 more penny here and 1 more penny here in the penny line. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies, 1, 2 nickels. So that's 5, 10. And I have 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3 dimes. So which one do I have the least number in my graph? You can see by looking at where it cuts off. The nickels cuts off down here. So it has we have the least number of nickels. What about the most? Well, I'm going to follow up my graph, and it comes up to 4. And I have 2 that have the most. I have 4 pennies, and I have 4 quarters. So both of them have the equal amount of items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you guys can do this with pasta, you can do it with buttons, we'll do it with a lot of different things. And you'll see next week what we come up with. And I will put some more music videos with numbers and money, because that's an important thing to focus on. Thanks, friends. Talk to you soon.
Rough videos.